river. Five, rush one pier for Chinatown. Chinatown, get off pier number five, rush one pier. After pier number five, we go to pier number six. Pier number six, memorable pier also Pine Foot Pier. The way to go to flower market and the Indian market. Pier number eight, Kadian, the way to go to Wat Po. Wat Po, the retaining Buddha temple. Maharaj Pier, the way to go to the Grand Palace. The Grand Palace, the Emerald Buddha Temple of Wat Pagel. You get off at the Maharaj Pier. After Maharaj Pier, we go to Pier number 10. Pier number 10, Wang Lang Pier, the way to go to Wang Lang Market. Sililas Hospital, Royal Bush Museum, Condoray train station. And after Pier number 10, we go to the last 13 พระอาทิตย์ออกบางลำพูบางคนเข้าสายรถบางคนบางลำพูมาร์เก็ตสันติชัยประกันพาร์ค National Museum. That is our last station. And this boat is and then we go back. We go back along the same road and stop on the same pier. If you're not hurry, I recommend you take the boat to the end and get off on the way back. But if you want to get off on the way up, it's up to you. You can choose by yourself. Our boat will start from a central pier, go along the river to pier number 13, and then we go back, stop on the same pier, on the same side. That is all the pier we stop in our trip. And addition to this, when you take the boat transportation, I recommend you something. When you take boat transportation for go up and down the river, when you need to get off, please prepare yourself at the back before the boat stop at the pier or let me know. Okay, let's stop. You know why? When the boat nearly to the pier, if nobody prepare yourself, forget on or forget off, we will pass to next one. That's why when you need to get off, please prepare yourself first or just send a signal to me. I will tell the driver to stop for you. I will tell the stop for you. That's why. Let me know first.